What's up, everybody? Hey, my name is LJ. Hey, I'm going to prepare my Thanksgiving meal for my family. I'm going to do step by step how I prepare my meal every year for us. And so I want you guys to just come along with this journey with us. That boy's life, you know, that's who we are. We're going to tear this food up. It's going to look good. It's going to smell good. I'm already thinking about it right now, but it's not about the food part. It's just having fun. So if this is something that you do every year, just put in the comments below for your family if you do all the cooking and if they enjoy your cooking. But I'm just going to share something what we do, and hey, hope you enjoy it. Let's get cooking. I have 3 containers here with meat that's been marinating for at least about a day and a half, 2 days. I have beef ribs in this one, and I know you like beef ribs for Thanksgiving. One on the grill, one in the oven, grill. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. These are the ones that have been marinated. Oh man, this is going to be great. So that's this. That's first set of drum legs here, and I'm going to push this to the side there. Here's the other sets of drum legs. Same thing. Look at that. Just got the marinating juice just going all over. These things going to fall off the bone. And then I want you to also see this. This looks like it'll come out great. This is the beef ribs. Right now I'm going to put some more seasoning on them. Dab in here, dab there. Put that out of here. All right. This is ready for the grill. Prep the meat that's going in the oven with the turkey. So I have a mixture of red onions and white onions, carrots, and celery in this bowl right here. Then we got washed red baby potatoes. Season them first before I marry it as well, so it gives a little flavor, a little pop. Container, we have carrots, baby carrots. Baby carrots is going in there as well. My favorite is sliced Bella mushrooms. It's all going in there. All right, I'm gonna add potatoes. The juice in here, there we go. All right. Go ahead. I'm gonna sort them out. There we go. Nice, a lot of onions. Yes, it is, but the more the merrier. We're just gonna put some in all. There you go. There you go. I love it. Alright, then there you go. Yeah. I don't know what it looks like on camera. I know what it looks like from this side. Let me see, you can still see the turkey. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. I don't know why I'm saying like that. The carrots here. Got the carrots. I'm not an Alabama fan. I'm a Buckeye fan. But Roll Tide. There you have it. The final product is right there. They're wrapped. They're nice and tight. So we're going to put it back in the refrigerator and get them ready for the grill. The turkey is pretty well seasoned and stuffed with all these good and yummy yummies. It's going also into the turkey as well, and then potatoes. Now I know you're saying where all that stuff is going. It's not going in the pan. It's going into a bag. But before we get to that part, I gotta add my special sauce. Oh yeah. All right, now I'm going to transfer the turkey into the oven, ready-made bag for it. I don't think I like this part, but we're going to see. Mom, this ain't the way to do it. Please forgive me. Just gonna check on it and see how good it smells. Smells delicious. Smells delicious. All right, let's check on the turkey bowl. Oh yeah, I like that. Ooh. Tenderism. But that's what it is. That's what it is. Veggies already done, and the turkey's getting done right now in the oven. These grilled turkey legs and beef ribs, I think came out okay. Cooking right now so we can relax as a family tomorrow for Thanksgiving. But I tell you what, that's all I have to show you. Thank you for tuning into That Boy's Life Thanksgiving edition. I love cooking for my family. I love them enjoying the food. And when we warm it up, it's going to be awesome. All right. Take care. God bless you. Happy Thanksgiving. Peace.